Some of the goodies, Fire for Hire, Road Code. Well, as we mentioned, nice. So what do you say, Mr. Schwag? How's it looking down there?
That's the
They thought you were lying.
I hope Richard Schultz has stock in this company. Or I hope we got insurance, because I can't believe we just flipped the bin. Make a little noise, folks. They just flipped the bin. Yeah! Woo, secret weapon. Unbelievable. So again, tomorrow, Scotty B, myself, Gene Winfield, 1:30 burnout contest. Come on back.
Ah, sorry about that. We'll get you a new one, man.
That was awesome, boss. Thank you. Awesome. Awesome.
Going over a dumpster bin, that's for sure.
Very cool. You think it was exciting for you? The three homeless guys in there, they're still running for their lives.
Thanks for having us out here today. We sure had a good time being here at the car show. We're having a great time.
And you're actually coming